Less than 3 weeks remain before the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is supposed to be announced, and as usual, a lot of fresh information is emerging. The most recent leaks provide us a glimpse of how the phone will function and look. My Smart Price first discovered a Geekbench listing for an unlocked Z Fold 6 model available in the US. It lists 12 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU running Android 14. These specifications were anticipated and match a previous benchmark for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, however this new listing has better scores. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 received a multi-core score of 6,903 and a single-core score of 2,257. This is a significant improvement over the previous exam scores, which were 1,964 for single-core and 6,619 for multi-core. Given that the hardware is same, the improved scores are probably the result of either the phone being more optimized as release day approaches or the fact that benchmark results might differ across tests. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has an average single-core score of 1,940 and a multi-core score of 5,119 on Geekbench, so these findings look good. The most recent Galaxy Z Fold 6 scores are even higher than the average 2,160 single-core and 6,746 multi-core scores of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In addition to benchmarks, we have official hands-on images of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, which provide a closer look at Samsung's foldable smartphones and make the internal screen crease more visible. Prototype Galaxy Z Fold 6 leaks from the past have previously shown almost every aspect. People are still expecting that the crease will be less obvious when the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip are completely open, even if Samsung may have chosen an outdated display to just show the size and form of the phones. Additionally, a black prototype version of the smartphone with Samsung crudely printed on its hinges is shown in the photos. These prototype devices clearly showcase Samsung's design changes. In comparison to last year's model, both phones look to have slimmer internal screen borders, and their overall dimensions and design have been marginally enhanced. Since Samsung doesn't seem to be contemplating any significant alterations to this line, the designs for its foldable smartphones that are seen here are really not shocking. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.